Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, yo soy Ashleyita. Today we're going to be installing this wig for beginners. This is a closure wig, as we all seem to love these days. I know they came before the frontals and we tried to, put them on the back burner for a while and be like, the frontals are better, and in ways they are when it comes to being able to be creative and do your hairline and your sideburns and just show the entire front perimeter. But let's be real, we've been on lockdown since 2020, and it just seems like we all have really just realize what is important and what is not. And one thing that is not important is bonding a wig down from ear to ear on an everyday basis. It's so much easier to just rock your closure wigs for day to day, and then of course you can pop out with your frontals when you want to switch up or for special occasions, even stuff like vacation. Of course, I feel like a frontal kind of sort of looks better in photo when you have it done right, like on vacation or when you're rocking your pieces. But how many times have you had your picture taken and you were in a frontal and you look back at the pictures and you look nuts? Lace is lifting, this is melting, the lace isn't matching, you thought the baby hair looked good, you look like a clown in your opinion, things like that. You kind of avoid those things with closures. It's just a little bit more neat and put together. I did try to make it look somewhat like a frontal by adding these little pieces here. This gives the illusion that the lace goes a little bit longer than it really does. We're going to go ahead and play up the ends with a couple of different products and come up with our own little cocktail to make the curls pop even more. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. If you haven't already, subscribe, become part of the jive, then let's jump right into it.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele. Not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, you looking like me, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah. But get it, come to me, come to me, rescue. Come to me, Fatumata Jambele, oh Lord. The Fatumata Jambele, oh Jambele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
Say I changed up, step my game up. When you bring my name up, a nigga from the get-go, bet your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though, please come get your shorty. Teed up, gassed up, sick, go with my whip, go 40. Come, I really don't miss shit though, you gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly. Do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimping penny shit. Popping off of purely penmanship. Business shit, you not a benefit. Beneficial moves, I been a man. Shaking, moving like the mini hand. Beat the coochie like an hour long. Keep it lit, I keep the power on. Power up, a super saiyan, Superman. Saving hoes, not I. Top tier, top floor, top shotter. You are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming. I'm moving now. Fuck what you doing tomorrow. If you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the nigga they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman. Everybody say they hot shit, some of y'all ain't right though. Everybody got punchlines, but some of y'all ain't right though.
Step my game up, when you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up.
Hey, so yeah, Maddie, just walk with us. Conscious, talk with us. See, we be painting pictures and we be writing scriptures. Right. You know, yeah. We was in the heights, OG tried to sell me Cartiers. With my crown, we some kings like a card in solitaire. Sticking to the script, that's what got us here. If you in the way, we stepping down like a barber chair. We was all downstairs, Molly vibes till the smoke was clear. Nephew came in, told him, boy, yo, go upstairs. Listen for the kids, yeah, cover ears. Had to put in order all of my fears. Now when I step out, I'll be well prepared.
Yo, pop out anywhere, yeah, we was never scared, yeah. We was everywhere, yeah, but you was never there. People love to compare, yeah, but we just never cared. We just always did our thing, every year we took the stairs. Back when Dylan ain't have a bed, we will always volunteer. Now we young pioneers, yeah, they see us switching gears. We some future billionaires, repping Brooklyn everywhere. So it's R.I.P. to Pop, they know the smoke will
Let me live with you, let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free, be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance, maybe find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off, all I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off. I could use a new friend, I don't wanna pretend. You just get who I am, almost feel like we're fam. Think it's time that we try.
Okay, babies, hair is done. I'll give it another minute or two to like dry and set, because I feel like when your hair is like super wet, it's not super wet, but when it's super wet, you don't get the vibe until it starts to like dry up. Or maybe that's just me, but this one did come from ISEE hair, and I love the curl pattern. I'll say that to start with. And I also love the fact that they gave some really good goodies. And so they gave me a satin scrunchie, which would be perfect to put this up into a pineapple. I have a whole collection of satin scrunchies. I bought a big like assorted bag. I'll leave it in the description box, but I was obsessed with those before we moved to this place like last summer. And I think just in the process of moving, I completely forgot about them. Maybe I should get obsessed, because I used to love them. I had like every single color, and I would wear them in my wigs and my natural hair. But anyways, I like this box because I feel like they gave me a lot of goodies that are a little bit different than the normal of what I've been getting. So they did give 2 boxes of the 3D mink lashes. Now that's nothing new, but these are definitely a lot different than the ones I typically receive. There's a little care instruction manual. This is a little piece of like elastic, but I don't know if you guys can tell, it's a different texture. So this might be super awesome for, you know how like when you get in the shower or when you go to bed, when it's hot outside, when you're working out, you really just want to cover and hold down that lace while like you're in positions or situations where it's going to get like wet or sweat or anything like that. And this is like the perfect thickness to just cover that lace. So sometimes you really don't want like a whole scarf or a headband. You want something just simple and discreet. So this little piece actually right there is perfect for that. They did give me a baby hair brush. It's a nice like clear pink, super cute and different. This little pack of like butterfly clips, not sure if you guys can see them, but I'm sure my daughters are gonna steal those from me. They're gonna repurpose those for their babies. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, so this here I think is a sponge. I've never seen one in this shape. It's like a puff slash sponge. So it's like you hold it like a puff, but it's a sponge. So this probably is perfect for like travel. Yeah, I can put this in my purse. Like I'm really loving these goodies. So I'm gonna put that in my purse and see about testing that out, because it comes with a travel case. So you don't have to worry about putting like your regular beauty blender or like your Real Technique sponge into your purse, and then you got product on it, and then the product is just jumping around in your purse. There is a dust bag with the ISEE logo on it. And I think I'm going to save the last two things for, the two best things for last. A pack of wig caps. This here is, it looks like a mask. So this is a mask, and it does have like a little certificate in here. You know, a lot of masks will come with these even when you buy them for like Amazon or get them in stores. But I would say this is one of the prettiest masks. I know we've been in the pandemic for what? Almost like over 2 years, and we're kind of coming out of it in a sense of like the mandate has been lifted for like a lot of stores and a lot of places in like California, even like schools and stuff. I know like if you travel internationally, we're still that is so pretty. Like if you travel internationally and go to different states, there's different things going on, and we may even go back into another lockdown. I know China is going through it right now with the lockdowns, but I don't know if you guys can see, but it has these beautiful stones, like crystals on it. And as you guys can see, the camera, they're making the camera go crazy, but they're beautiful crystals, and look how beautiful this one looks on my face. This is one that I definitely will hand wash, and I'll try not to wear it too much when I have on makeup. Like I want to put it on and show you guys, but even if me like touching it like this, my makeup is like minimally transferring. I know you guys can't see that, but I would love this mask in black, but I'm definitely gonna put this in my purse because again, there's still a handful of places where you need a mask. And then this was the best part of the package, and this is just a pack of really pretty press-ons. Now I love the press-on lights. I feel like I'm a little bit heavy-handed with them. I don't know what it is, but the last set I wore actually lasted almost a week, which I was so impressed, because every time I've ever tried to ride the press-on wave for like convenience and to save money, and not even to save money, but more so to save time, because I've had small kids and I've been pregnant and breastfeeding for so many years, it feels like it just felt like I couldn't get away from the kids to like get my nails done routinely every 2 weeks. So I tried to join the press-on life, and it just didn't work out for me, but I think I found a technique that works, so I'm going to try it out again, because I did just take off an acrylic set. But now that we went through the packaging, the hair has had a good amount of time to dry. I would say it's about 80, 85, maybe even 90% dry. It's a little bit more like slightly damp in the front, but you guys can see like the dryness and the fullness is coming back. And I think I did a great job at executing this one. And you guys seen the parting and the hairline when I installed her, and it didn't look the most like natural. I was able to make it look a lot more realistic. And you guys know closure wigs are my vibe, because they make it very easy for like my Monday through Friday, heck, my 7-day every day of the week routine. I don't know if you guys can get a good look at the curl pattern on this one, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's very fitting for the warmer months. As we get into it, it's time to pull out your cutoff shorts, even like your biker shorts and like your skirts and your dresses. And this is a vibe that literally all of your summer wear will look great with. It's time to pull out the Hermes sandals and just live this bougie soft life. I'm into it and I'm here for it. So hope you guys are too. If you are interested in this wig from ISEE Hair, you can go ahead and check out my description box. In there you'll find a direct link. If you're interested and have any questions on the wig itself, I also have all the details down there as well. I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time. Thank you guys for lasting this long in the video if you did. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.